Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about unpacking a tuple and using asterisk symbol. Okay. See, first what is mean by unpacking a tuple? That means already in previous videos, I think you all of you learn about swap multiple variables. Okay, multiple values can store in multiple variables like this. Suppose if a comma b, if a is equal to, okay, if a comma b is equal 7 comma 8 I given. Okay, at this time, okay, 7 will store in a and 8 will store in b. Okay, yeah, this type of topics already visa. Okay, this type of topics already visa in previous videos. Okay, likewise here also same but similar, a little bit different. Okay, that means here what I am saying, here I taken, here I have a tuple. Okay, here I have a tuple. In tuple total how many values are there? Total 5 values are there. Okay, total 5 values are there. Here I am taking 5 variables. Okay, here I am taking 5 variables. Those are a comma, b comma, c comma, d comma, e. Okay, here I taken 5 variables. Okay, in 5 variables is equal to tuple 1. Okay, 5 variables is equal to tuple 1. At this time what happened? Okay, at this time what happened means the each value, okay, each value can store in each variable. Okay, each value can store in each variable. See, print a. Okay, print a and print b and print c and print d and print e. Okay, print here. See, each variable can store each value. Okay, each variable can store each value like this. Okay, this is called unpacking a variables. Okay, these are called unpacking a tuple. Okay, unpacking a tuple. See, the multiple variables can store in multiple single way, multiple values can store in single variables. Okay, if you want to assign each value to one variable, we have to mention like this. Okay, if one variable will take one value. Okay, this is called unpacking. Okay, let's do practice. Okay, this is unpacking a tuple. Suppose here by using asterisk symbol. Okay, by using asterisk symbol means, suppose here, okay, here I am mentioning only three variables. Okay, here I am mentioning only three variables, but here total how many values are there? Five values are there. Okay, suppose here I am mentioning asterisk symbol for c. Okay, suppose here I am mentioning asterisk symbol for c. Here what happened means the first value can store in a and can mention before the variable. Okay, this star can mention before the variable. At that time what happened? Okay, in first, see, the first value can store in first variable and the second value can store in second variable and remaining okay, remaining values can store in third variable as list. Okay, as list. In this way, suppose this asterisk symbol I can mention here. Okay, this asterisk symbol I can mention here. At this time what happened, the first value can store in a and the last value can store in b. The remaining three values can store in b. Okay, have a look here. See, the first value apple and the final value is pineapple. The remaining values can store in B. In this way, suppose if you mention here like this, okay, if you mention here, what happened? See, okay, the first three values can store in a variable. The remaining two values can store in remaining two variables. Okay, this is the class, friends. I hope you understand this video. Unpacking a tuple means the okay, initially the multiple values can store in single variable. Okay, those values you can distribute to each variable. You can do this. Okay, unpacking a variable means you can each value can store in each variable. Okay, by using asterisk symbol means, okay, suppose if you want to uh, paste the multiple variables in one variables or multiple values in another variables. Okay, if you already you saw in previous, like you can do practice. Okay, whatever you saw, please you can do practice, you can understand easily. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. If you understand, please like this video as well as share to your friends. Okay, thank you so much.